Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to send form submission notification to multiple recipients in gravityform. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are in gravityform. Now scroll down. You see we have two form. So click on setting and then you see form setting. So click on it. So settings section open and scroll down. You see notification. So click on it. Now we are in notification and then you see admin notification. If you want, you can create multiple notification according to your requirement. Now you see admin notification. So click on edit. Again scroll down. You see send to and then you see send to email. So we are going to add multiple email addresses. Now add comma and then you can add email address separated by comma like this. Now you see add one email and then you see comma. So this is our first email address. Then you see again comma and then you see another email address. So you can add multiple email addresses. Then click on update notification. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.